Hello, my name is Kate, and I'm a writing consultant at Colorado School of Mines. In English, prepositions are words that identify roles and relationships within a sentence. Prepositions are used to communicate temporal, spatial, or directional relationships, and they can be concrete or abstract. Using the correct preposition in English is key to describe relationships accurately. Temporal prepositions. Prepositions that describe points in time are at, in, and on. On is used to determine days. At is used to express time of day, and in is used with parts of the day that are not defined by specific times, with months and years, and with the seasons. For example, we finished the research at 5 p.m. Or we finished the research on June 5th. Or we finished the research in the morning. Prepositions that express lengths of time are since, for, by, from, and during. For example, we have been doing this research since the start of the semester, or we planned to research from fall to spring. Spatial prepositions. Spatial prepositions include at, in, and on. These prepositions relate directly to the point that is being described. At can be used to describe a vicinity. On describes a surface, and in describes an area that is restricted to boundaries. For example, we did our research at the library. We did our research on campus. We did our research in the lab. Abstract uses of these prepositions can also be used, and the same rules should apply. For example, this is groundbreaking research in the engineering field. Use in because even though the field is abstract, it still has boundaries. Locational prepositions can also express proximity. Prepositions that determine proximity include over, under, between, near, around, within, and above. Directional prepositions. Directional prepositions express the movement of a noun. These include to, through, from, and toward. To is used to express approaching something, and it can be abstract. For example, a person having something done to them is still directional. For example, I am going to the lab, or we gave the results to our advisor. Through describes movement between 2 points that is linear. For example, we had to get through the literature review before we began our methodology. From is used to express the concept of starting at a specific point. For example, we had to start from these findings in order to get our best results. Toward is also an approach like to, but can be temporal, as it means the noun has not yet reached a specified point. For example, we are working toward a better research method, but may not have achieved it yet.